Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can fake skip on Omi TV. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So to do that, you first of all have to have your Omi TV over here, get signed in, and then you have to have access of OBS. You need to get yourself an OBS. Right, once you have OBS Studio there is lined in, what you're gonna do is you're gonna go ahead, import your camera into OBS, and then you have to set the fake skip by downloading a video of what the skip animation should look like by importing the media file. Once you have imported that, and hide it with the I button, and set it to the hide show with the hotkey if you would like, and then activate the OBS virtual camera at the bottom right of the client. Then when you go to OMTV, you simply have to select the OBS virtual camera as your video source. Once you are in the OMTV and having people talk over in the video session, you need to have OBS video there, and make sure you're using the OBS camera only, and that's where you can do it. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.